Come right this way, my friend. Welcome, Karen. Come on in. Welcome to the workshop. I know it seems a little, well, a lot, but to us this is everything. I see you've all met the gatherers. Very good. You may call me Kembe. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it, well, is new junk. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, abandoned places, forgotten outposts, and battle-ravaged planets. What we find, we bring here, to the workshop. So where a stormtrooper may see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes. Very good. Well, now we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey, yes. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we've been searching for so long. And that's why you're here. To look ahead, well, and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It's elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is the reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. But enough talking. Let's begin. We begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. The blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red, the color of power of the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we're here for you, our future. It's now time to select your kyber crystal. Everyone close your eyes to me. Close your eyes. In your mind, picture your crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? Now open your eyes and take your crystal.
Green.
Very good. You've all selected your crystal. Now, if you would, please place it on the green crystal holder in front of you. You will now pair your crystal with a unique lightsaber design that you've chosen. We'll begin by building the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and the part that stops your hand from being disintegrated. Now in these boxes are the unique components of the lightsaber design that you yourselves have chosen. Very good. Now components down, and in the boxes you'll find the chassis, activation plates, grips, pommel cap, and emitter. Building a lightsaber is a journey. Just as you selected your kyber crystal, so too you will now select the individual parts that make up your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to help you should you require assistance. Well, are we ready?
Yes.
Pretty good. Let's build.
Hi travelers, my name is Emma. I'm going to be helping you build today. First, we're going to take our chassis, make sure the horizontal is faced up. So flip it over to me that way. Now we're going to it on the top hole, you'll feel it spring up a little bit and then slowly push the second point into the bottom hole. Perfect. Oh, with my friend here, when it's done correctly, you'll hear it singing sound and it'll also flash those lights. Now we're going to move on to our activation plates on row 5. You're going to choose 2 from the same set. 2 from the same set. You'll notice on the inside that there's a blue and a red line. That's going to line up with that blue and red line on your chassis. Blue will go over blue and red will go over red. They're just going to snap in just like this. And then meet in the middle. When you choose a pair, perfect. Are you happy with your activation plates? Same on the chassis?
I think so.
Are you happy with that? Awesome, guys. So now we're going to move on to our grips. You have 4 choices. You're going to choose your favorite 2. They're going to go on both sides of your activation plates on your chassis here. What you want to do is make sure the thicker side of your grip goes towards the middle. You're going to apply just a little bit of pressure and then twist it until it's secure. When it feels tight, stop twisting. Your lines are going to line up per se. You're just going to make sure it feels tight and secure. Our grips, we're going to move on to row 3. Row 3 is going to be your emitter. It's going to go on the top of your hilt here, right where your blade comes out.
Make sure to keep that face down. Thank you.
Alright guys, so when you're happy with your emitter, you're going to move on to row 4. That is our puzzle cap. That's their last piece for your hilt. It's going to go on the bottom there. Alright guys, so make sure your hilt feels comfortable in your hands and you are happy with all your choices. When you are finished, put your lightsabers on the stand right in front of you. Alright, we're going to sing. Everything good to you? My last step for you. Alright. Simple step up to activate. Start back down to deactivate. There you go. Alright, now in 10 minutes of activation. Thumb here. Slide down to reactivate, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. I'm going to move on final check for you.
Completed your hilt. Go ahead and take it in your dominant hand. Whether that be your left or your right, that's your choice. And just start to feel how it sits there in your grip. How those individual components affect how you hold it and how you wield it. Take a look at the balance. Now, is it heavier towards the emitter? Towards the bottle cap? Or are you, as we should be, balanced in the center? That last one's a little more philosophical than physical, but if you can manage it, well done. I would really not look down the end of it, my friend. Good thing is, if you activate it, it'll only happen once. Now, if you would, place those hilts in the raised horizontal holder directly in front of you. Very good. You've all completed your hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic happened. Which brings us to the most dangerous part. I'll ask you all to take a step back. Gatherers. Not that far back. We'll now begin to stabilize your crystal for activation. This must be done with great care, skill, and timing as a single inverted emitter or a cracked kyber crystal, and well, we could have yet another hole in the roof of this workshop. And I assure you that's the last thing we need. A few of you seem a little nervous. Nothing to be nervous about. Now, as we move forward into the next stage, what's happening?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first. Take a step forward. Place their hand on their hilt, and together, on my command, you will activate for the first time. Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Then step forward. Place your hand on your hilt and activate. Builder, raise your lightsabers. Hold them high. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi, the Sith that came before you. I like how you two can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsabers. Very good.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny, you see, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end. Your journey, that's just beginning. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And who knows? Perhaps next time we may be telling your story. Now builders, raise your sabers and activate! Excellent work, my friends. Continue on your journey. Well done. Yeah. Maybe next time you'll bring flags out.
You can turn it off.
Thank you. Thank you.